Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you, and this website you're looking at right now is Wattpad. Wattpad allows all content writers to get inspired. Specifically, this website, I do recommend it for everyone out there that want to get inspiration or get a way to be able to write a professional book or get inspiration on how to write a very good content. So as you can see, for example, I want to write a content about love or romance. Different type of content are available here. You could read someone's own, then rewrite your own, or you can get inspired. So as you can see, once I click on start reading, I'll be able to have access to this content that is here on this website. Like, this is just like a book. An ebook is just like an ebook. As you can see, all the quotes, all the contents are right here. If you want to get this content, you just check. I will add Wattpad sign up link in this video, so do check out my video description to sign up on Wattpad and start getting inspiration from other writers out there. So another thing that I want you to know regarding Wattpad is, if you have a very good account on Wattpad, as you can see guys, 143k views. As you can see guys, 143k views, and this content is rated 5.0 from about 2.7k people. As you can see, 2.795 votes. So once you publish a content here on Wattpad, you could get people to vote on the content, whether the content is good or not good, and people could be able to comment on your content as well as view your content. Just like I'm viewing it right now, I added to these views as well because I'm viewing this content right now. So me viewing this, for example, I want to start writing the content about love. I will get inspired by reading this from the beginning to the end. Then I will be able to think deep and conduct my own or rewrite in my own way. I hope you understand that, guys. So another tips right here, just from what you are seeing here, guys, this is telling you that there's a lot of viewers going on Wattpad. So I want you guys to build your brands on Wattpad. Like, for example, you have a freelancing platform account, or you have a freelancing profile that is well built and well based on content writing. I will advise you to start writing and start publishing your content here on Wattpad, and there will be a time when you have so much views, you could just publish your content and add your gig link or your profile link to that content. I'm pretty sure you're going to get some conversions through that, because it's not everybody that is coming here to read content are ready to write content. Some people come here to hire people to write content for them, and some people come here just like you are new to this. You are going to get inspired, and I have give you a tips on how to earn more just using Wattpad. All true, take note, everything is going to take time. For example, for this content to be seen by this much people, it's going to take over months, about 6 months of publish in this website. So I want you to take note, and you could get as much as these views based on how your content is unique and how rare your content is. So guys, do start writing and start your own content today. Get inspired, guys. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video. Bye guys.